Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got more Christmas music. We're going to be using this book here, Holiday Classics by Piano Pronto, available at pianopronto.com. Now you do not need this book. You can learn the pieces just by watching me play, and I will show you how to play them. But if you are a collector of books and you enjoy reading sheet music, this book is amazing. It has 3 versions for each tune. The first one, you just play the melody notes, and so it's very simple and easy to play. The second version, you add a few more harmony notes, and the third version adds the most harmony notes of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a 4th version where I will play all of the melody notes, the notes with the words, all of those with the right hand, and we'll be putting chords underneath with the left hand. Let's take a look. All right, so Deck the Halls. Let's look at the melody first. It starts off in the right hand. You're going to have your 5th finger on G. And this, we call this C home bass because your thumb is resting on the C. And we're going to cross over and then back. That's a really quick way for beginners to do more than 5 notes at once. Okay, and then it repeats. Now, the book that I have puts the melody partially in the left hand, so you don't have to jump around as much. I'm going to show you that way, and then I'm going to show you the way I do it so that I keep the melody in the right so the left hand can do chords. So here's the book way. You're going to have your 4th finger on D. This is also a C home bass. C is the lowest note. Now your right hand needs to move to put your thumb on A. So I'll show you that again. And then you go back to what we started with. And we're going to stretch up to the A. If you want to, you can bring your pinky back to the G if you're more comfortable in C home bass, or you could go like this. Okay, let's go back to the Dawn We Now part, and I will show you how I do it with all the melody on the right hand. Now I know I'm going to run out of fingers, so after this F sharp, I'm going to tuck my thumb up here. And I end up in a new position, so I'll have to jump back in order to get back to where I started. So let's show you that again. Then you jump down. So that's the entire melody part, and you can choose whether you want to do it all with the right hand or some with the left. All right, so we've got the right hand melody. Now we're going to add some left hand chords. I'm going to take where we were playing this right hand, I'm going to move it up 1 octave to give us a little more room to do the chords here. And we're going to start with a C major chord, which is a C home bass. And for those of you who want to leave out the middle note and just do the C chord shell, you can do that. So we start with C. Now we're going to switch to the down hand shape, which is also a G chord. If you've learned this middle note, you could add it. Back to C. Down, C. Again, this next part is just the same. C chord, C chord, G, C, C, G, C. Now for the next part, I'm going to have you move your hand up to a G home bass. This is one option, which is really nice because if you have studied these 3 chords, those are the 3 we're going to use. So we've got a G chord, C, C, D, G, D, G. The alternative to that would be to stay with the G down here, C, G, C, and then jump up and find your D7. but that might be a bigger jump. D to G to D. Another alternative is if all you want to do are root position chords, you could jump to C, G to C to D, but then this gets really hard. G, D, G. That's why I like this solution, so let's try it again. And then we go back to where we started, everybody in C position. And now we'll use the F chord, the up shape. You can leave out the middle note if you don't know that note. Okay, one time straight through. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.